Well, hey guys, thanks so much for checking out this video. Today we're going to try to get the rust off of this old pair of pliers. I found this in my dad's old shed when we were going through a few things. As you could tell, has a lot of rust. You can tell the rust in here, just real gummed up. Even rust all the way down to the ends right here. So we're going to try to get as much of that rust off. And you can tell that they don't open up very well, even with a lot of pressure. That's about as far as you can get them. So we're going to try to fix that as well. So hopefully, after today, we can get these back into working order and back to its former glory. So what we're going to do is we're going to put these for 24 hours. We're going to soak them into some distilled white vinegar. I've heard this works and get some rust off of your tools. So let's go ahead and dive in and see if this works. So here is my container. I got just a Tupperware container. And again, I'm going to go ahead and pour in my distilled vinegar. Just pour it in enough just for it to cover up the pair of pliers. Don't want to use too much, but go ahead and pour it in there. And again, we're going to leave it in there for about 24 hours. See if it can go ahead and soak and get all of that rust off. Now it's covering the whole pair of pliers, so that's good. So we're going to go ahead and leave that in there again for about 24 hours, and then we'll come back and see if this rust is still here. All right, everyone, we are back. It has been a little bit over 24 hours, and I have not touched these pliers yet, but I want to go ahead and get them out. You can tell the water is really murky. It has a lot of rust pieces just kind of all over the place, and so you can tell as I get it out, even on my hands. If you can even see my hands right now, I can feel it. Oh wow, yeah, just a lot of rust and whatever else was on there. So we're going to go ahead and wipe it off first. Try to figure out what was on here, some type of sealer or something that was on the pair of pliers. So, but yeah, so that gets that part off, and now we can tell, if you could see, most of the rust is already off of the pliers, and so that's incredible. It has this little bit of something that was already on there. Not 100% sure what that was, but what I'm going to do is just use a toothbrush. I've heard this works pretty well. You can get these and try to just scrape off the rest. I can already tell that it's already opening and closing a lot easier, a lot better. So we're going to go ahead and just kind of rub this off and see if we can get a lot of this off again. This has some type of coating that was on it. You can tell that's coming off. But all of the rust is, I think, for the most part, completely gone. So that's incredible, incredible. You can tell right there that already works well. So that's awesome. Again, we'll have to probably wipe it down and oil it up, but you can see all of the rust is gone. You see all the words. That's incredible. Couldn't see any of this stuff last time. Didn't even know what the brand of it was, but that's incredible. Got all of this off. Again, I'm gonna wipe it down, try to get all the whatever's on here, try to get that off. But that, it looks great. I think that's incredible. Again, just to get all the rust off. So now it works. Again, all this part, all the moving parts in here to kind of get the thing open and closed works now. But all the rust is completely gone. That works even better than I thought it would. But you can see just in the water here, a lot of rust, a lot of pieces left over from that. So I would say just be careful, because again, there's probably some stuff, on this, that whatever it was sealed with, whatever was on here is kind of coming off as well. But I'm going to probably oil these up and see what they look like then. But I think that works extremely well if you are looking for a way to fix some item you have, maybe some old tool you have with rust all over it. You can put it in some distilled white vinegar and that rust comes right off. So that's what it looks like. I think it worked out great. Well, I went ahead and put a little bit of oil in here just to kind of get them all greased up, and they work extremely well. You can tell it works just fine now, and back to working order. All the rust is gone, all the corrosion is gone, and I think it works incredible. So that is a great way to clean some of your tools. If you're looking for an easy way to get some rust off your tools and clean them up, using distilled white vinegar worked great. Again, we set it in there for a little over 24 hours. All of it came off, and then again, just put a little WD-40 in there, kind of get all the mechanisms working back right. So I hope this video was helpful for you or entertaining, either one. If it was, you can let me know that in the comments. You can also leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. And we also have other videos that you can check out here at the end screen as well. But I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one.